Good morning, room 13. With our packet pickup today, you will see the rest of our math book that we have not covered yet. Our last math skill that we're going to focus on this school year is area and perimeter. So I'm going to do a little introduction lesson on area and perimeter, and we will do practice the rest of the week. Both area and perimeter are used to measure amounts of space. Perimeter we use to measure the outside of an object. The measurement around the outside of an object is called the perimeter. So we demonstrated it by writing perimeter around this rectangle. That's the length outside the shape. The area is the measurement of space, square units, inside an object. And we wrote the title area inside the rectangle to show the difference. In this rectangle, the amount of space inside is called the area, and the amount of space outside is called the perimeter. Now today we're going to focus on perimeter. To find the perimeter of an object, you need to know the length of the sides. In order to find the total perimeter, you need to add the length of all the sides together. This rectangle is 4 inches long and 3 inches wide. So we know in a rectangle, if this side is 4 inches, this side would be the same length, 4 inches. And if this side is 3 inches, then this side would also be 3 inches. So we need to add 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, and 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 inches. Now let me show you on that same rectangle. If I wanted to find the area, you use a different formula, a different method of solving. You no longer are going to add all 4 sides because with perimeter, you want to know the outside length. Remember, with area, you want to know the inside length. So you want to know how many square units are inside. If there are 4 square units going this way and 3 square units going this way, we can look at it like an array and do a multiplication problem. 4 times 3 is 12. And with area, we need to include square inches. All right, let's do some practice. Okay, let's practice figuring out the perimeter of some polygons. As I mentioned, the perimeter is the length around a shape. This triangle is 7 inches by 4 inches by 6 inches. So I need to add 7 plus 4 plus 6 to figure out the perimeter. I know that 6 plus 4 is 10. That's a friendly number. I'm going to do that first. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 7 is 17. And the word inches is already written for me, so I don't need to write that. Let's find the perimeter of this trapezoid. 6 inches by 3 inches by 6 inches by 7 inches. Again, I see a friendly 10 here. I can add 7 plus 3, which equals 10. And then 6 plus 6, I know is a doubles fact. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 10 plus 12 equals 22. And I don't need to write inches again because inches is provided there for me. All right, another triangle. This is 8 by 8 by 4, so I need to add those numbers together. I know that 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Pretty easy so far, huh? All right, this pentagon. Okay, how about this pentagon? We have 4 inches plus 4 inches plus 6 inches plus 4 inches plus 6 inches. I know that 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12 because I know 4 times 3. So 12 and 6 plus 6 is 12 again. I know 12 plus 12 is 24. I'm able to do that in my head. If you don't want to do the mental math though, you are welcome to just write all of these numbers down on a piece of paper. You could stack them and add them together. Another friendly number you could make is 6 plus 4, which equals 10. 6 plus 4 again, which equals 10. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 4 more is 24. Kind of fun to figure out the ways that you could add this up in your head, just like we do it during number talks. Okay, here we have a parallelogram. It is 8 inches by 7 inches. We need to add up all the sides. I know 8 plus 8 is 16, and 7 plus 7 is 14. Now I could stack my 16 plus 14 on a piece of scratch paper and add them up together. I know though that 16 plus 14 is 30 inches. This one is pretty easy because all of the sides are the same. Here we have a hexagon, and each side is 5 inches. Now I know that in a hexagon there are 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know that each length is 5 inches. So all I have to do is 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. This one is also 30 inches. I will post the rest of these slides in our Google Classroom for you to practice on your own. There's several more. We left off on slide 6, and it goes all the way to slide 24. All right, enjoy.